Simple Harmonic Motion by Ash Zone. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is our lecture number 4. Today, the topics to be covered are distinguishing between mechanical and electromagnetic waves and identifying transverse and longitudinal waves in mechanical media. The types of waves are mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves are the waves which are produced by a vibrating body. They require a medium to travel. They have low speed as compared to electromagnetic waves, and they can be transverse as well as longitudinal. Their examples are sound waves, waves produced by vibration of rope, and waves produced on the surface of the water. The types of mechanical waves are transverse waves and longitudinal waves. The transverse wave is a type of mechanical wave in which particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of waves. In this type of wave, crest and trough are formed. As you can see in the diagram, one crest and one trough forms one wavelength, and the height, the total displacement, is known as the amplitude. The longitudinal waves is a type of mechanical wave in which particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of waves. In this type of wave, compression and rarefaction are formed. The compression is the point where the waves close, and the rarefaction is the waves are apart from each other. One compression and one rarefaction completes the wavelength. The electromagnetic waves are produced due to change in electric and magnetic field. They don't require a medium to travel. They have high speed. They are only transverse, and the examples of them are light rays, gamma rays, and radio waves. The definitions are crest. It is in the transverse wave the highest point of particle from the medium from the mean position. Trough. In transverse wave, the lowest point of particles of medium from the mean position. Compression are those layers of the longitudinal waves in which particles of the medium are comparatively more close to each other. Rarefactions, those layers of longitudinal waves in which particles of the medium are comparatively less close to each other. Waves, they are the means of the transfer of energy without transfer of matter. To differentiate between electromagnetic and mechanical waves, I have drawn out a table. Number 1 is mechanical waves are produced by a vibrating body, while the electromagnetic waves are produced due to change in magnetic and electric field. Mechanical waves have low speed, while the electromagnetic waves have high speed. Mechanical waves need medium to travel, and electromagnetic waves need no medium to travel. Mechanical waves can be transverse and longitudinal, while the electromagnetic waves are only longitudinal. Mechanical waves are the sound waves, waves produced in rope, waves produced in water. Like the electromagnetic waves are light, radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, and all the electromagnetic waves. It's the end of our lecture number 4. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.